video, I'll show you how to cut down Wedi board using an everyday hand tool. Whether you're cutting down a smaller size or creating a specific shape, get ready to learn about an exciting mosaic substrate. Let's get to it. Welcome back, and if you're new here, my name is Julie. And on this channel, we discuss tips, tricks, tools, adhesives, materials, and specific mosaic projects, all to shorten your learning curve when it comes to creating mosaic art. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, please consider subscribing. Before we start cutting, I wanted to go over what exactly is Wedi board. First of all, it's manufactured in Germany, so it's actually pronounced Wedi. The official description of Wedi is polystyrene covered with fiberglass and cement. But basically, it's foam core covered with a thin layer of cement on both sides. Kind of like a souped up version of your child's science fair project board. So you've got the light weight of the foam core with the heaviness of cement. So is it light or heavy? It's actually incredibly light for what it is. And on top of that, it's waterproof and you can cut it down into pretty much whatever shape you want. Versatile? Very. It's often used in bathroom installations and areas prone to moisture. So what does that mean to a mosaic artist? That means we can use it outdoors, whether it's going to be displayed in a covered patio or with direct exposure to Mother Nature. Wedi comes in a variety of sizes. Remember, this is used in bathroom installations, so think large bathroom walls. But you can find it in smaller cut-down varieties, and it comes in so many thicknesses, from 1/8 of an inch to 2 inches. It's available at hardware stores and tile and flooring centers. I've not only used Wedi on projects that are permanent installations in areas that are prone to moisture and water, but I've also used it in projects where I needed to cut it down to a particular size and it was part of an overall larger project and I didn't want to add a lot of extra weight that perhaps wood or something like that would add to it, since I'm covering it with a lot of heavy material. You can easily hang a Wedi board mosaic directly to the wall. It does require special hardware, but you can easily get that hardware at the hardware store. If you do hang your Wedi mosaic directly to the wall, you will want to install the hanging hardware first before you even begin your mosaic artwork. And that's because the manufacturer recommends that the hardware go through the front of your substrate. So the area where you would be applying your mosaic goes through the front, through the back. I'll include a list and links down below for all the materials I'm using today in case you'd like to get started with Wedi board. So Wedi board can be cut down with electric hand tools such as a jigsaw, but for the purpose of today's video, I wanted to show you how to cut down Wedi board using an ordinary household hand tool. So to get started, all you really need are 3 household items: a ruler, a utility knife, and a marking tool, whether that's a pen, a marker, or a piece of chalk. For safety's sake, because we're cutting, I have on a pair of protective eyewear. To start, draw out the line or shape you'd like to cut directly onto your substrate. Then, with a sharp blade, start scoring the line with your utility knife. I'm not pressing super hard, but I'm making sure that each time I score, the utility knife is progressing through the thin layer of cement. Keep scoring with a little bit of pressure until you get to the foam center. Once you get to the foam center, you can stop scoring and then bend the Wedi board at the score line and snap your piece of board. And there you have it. You just cut cement board with a simple hand tool. You can create curved pieces of Wedi by making incremental score lines, but not snapping your piece apart. Keep it intact. This allows you to create all sorts of shapes with what would otherwise be a stiff, sturdy piece of cement board. See what I mean? Pretty versatile. Question of the day. Let me know in the comments what shape you would like to create with Wedi board. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up as it really does help my channel, and subscribe if you haven't already. Click the bell notification so you never miss a single upload, and let me know in the comments if there's something you'd like me to cover in a future video. I'll see you soon. Bye. I think that's a wrap, and I didn't like have any bobbles or funny moments. Sorry guys. Like, no bloopers. That's a good thing, I think. Right? That one right there. Keep that one. Go in here. If you're looking for more Mosaic inspiration, you can check out one of these two videos. Until then, see ya!